some from the garden and some from the field. Pineapple, apples, they put them to eat. They put them to salmon, they're healthy to eat.
Very good, Tarnika. Wonderful, Tarnika. Thank you so much. Siddharth. Siddharth. Finish? Siddharth, will you sing now? No. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and
Sharpen and eat. A bird in the salad, healthy to eat.
very good, Siddharth. Very good boy. Thank you, Siddharth. Pranita, I'm waiting for you, Pranita. It's also good. Okay. Rohita, did you finish the rhyme, Rohita? Now will you sing the rhyme, Rohita? Come on, Rohita. Vegetables rhyme one more time, Rohita.
No understand.
Okay.
Vegetables.
Vegetables into
Next, some vegetables. Put the market. Vegetables basket.
Look at me, Rohita. Let's look at ma'am. Now you sing loudly. You sing.
అటు చూసి
Look at ma'am. Look at ma'am. Now you sing.
అటు చూడు
Okay, Rohita. Okay, thank you so much, Rohita. Vishank, good morning.
Okay.
Vishank, good morning, Vishank. Vishank, good morning. Where is Vishank? Vishank?
no sound.
No sound. I'm able to hear you. You can't hear me? You're not able to hear me? Uma ma'am.
Yes.
Uma
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Darshika's mom is asking something, ma'am.
Can I give a call to her?
Yeah, I don't know. She messaged something in
Okay,
group, I
I will
think.
check. I'll check in.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Vishan, come on, sing the rhyme, ma.
No sound, ma'am.
No sound. Why are you saying no sound? Good morning. Can you hear me now? You're not able to hear me, Vishank. Vishank, I can hear you. You're not able to hear me? No. No, Vishank. Vegetables rhyme. Vegetables rhyme.
Vegetables, this are healthy. Some from the garden, some from the bee. Cook them.
Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Very good, Vishank. Are you able to hear me? Can you hear me, Vishank?
No, ma'am.
Why Vishank is not able to hear me? Vishank? Vishank's mom? Oh my God. Dev Krish, good morning, Dev Krish.
Hey, good morning. Good
Good
morning,
morning. Good morning. Dev Krish, will you sing the rhyme, Dev Krish? Vegetables rhyme. Vegetables. Will you sing?
Sing.
You know or you don't know? You know the rhyme, Dev Krish? Okay, sing along with ma'am. Come on. Sing along with ma'am. Those who don't know the rhyme also sing along with ma'am. Okay? Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay, Dev Krish? Yes?
Vanilla ma'am, Uma.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
We want virtually present in the class, okay? That audio and video is not working for them, it is.
Okay, I have to put present for Vivan, but he will not be visible in the screen. That's what, right?
Yeah, exactly. He will not speak also because audio is also a problem in the laptop.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you are teaching, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Satvika. Good morning. Karthikeyan, good morning. Karthikeyan. Yes, good morning, Satvika. Karthikeyan, will you sing the rhyme vegetables, vegetables, Karthikeyan? Come on, sing the rhyme.
Vegetable, fresh and daily. Some from the border, some from the field. Buy them, chop them, some from eat, put them to eat. Buy them,
Put them in salad.
healthy.
Healthy to eat. Okay, very good, Karthikeyan. Very good. I'm going to mark very good for Karthikeyan. Okay, Satvika, can you sing the rhyme vegetable, Satvika? Satvika? Satvika, I think she's not there. Ritvik, can you sing the rhyme vegetables, Ritvik? Ritvik? Yes, good morning. Yeah, Ritvik, come on. Vegetables. Come on, Ritvik.
Vegetable.
Come on, Ritvik.
Vegetable, salad.
Yes, Ritvik. Okay, Ritvik. Okay, next is who else? I didn't ask. Satvika, come on. Very good, Ritvik. Satvika, come on, Satvika. Vegetables, vegetables. Come on. Come on, Satvika. Satvika, look at ma'am, Satvika. Come on, sing the rhyme vegetables, vegetables. Come on, time up, Satvika. Come on. Vegetables, vegetables. Fast. Fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Okay, very good children. Good morning, Devarakshita. Good morning. Zeddy, good morning. Zeddy. Good morning. Zeddy, will you sing the rhyme vegetables, vegetables, Zeddy? Good morning. Come on, sing the rhyme vegetables, vegetables. Vegetables, vegetables. Don't know, Zeddy? Okay, sing along with ma'am. Come on, Zeddy. I can hear you. Come on, sing. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes, very good. Okay, Zaidi. Okay, children. We conduct the activity later. All of you stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Kids the anthem. Come on, start. Okay, Zaidi. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, Zaidi. Yes. Come on, children. It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, open up your eyes, children. Good morning. Yes, good morning, children. A big good morning, but don't unmute, okay? Good morning. Say it loudly. Say it. Say it louder. Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. Yeah. Yeah, good morning, children. Okay, ready for the activity? Yes? Ready? Okay, children. Today we are going to do actions. Are you ready to do the actions? Yes. First, running. Running. All of you stand up. You should not sit down, children. Running. Run, run, run. How will you run, children? Stand up and run. Come on. Don't sit. Be active. It's morning, children. Running. Yes. Stop. Jumping. Jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Very good. Hopping. Hop, hop, hop. Hop with one leg. Hop with one leg. One leg you have to hop. Lift one leg and hop. Very good. Now turn around. Turn around. How will you turn around? Yes, very good. Turn around. Turn around. Okay, now lift your hands up. Lift your hands up and touch your toes. Lift your hands up and touch your toes. Bend and touch your toes. Yes. One more time. Lift your hands up. Straight. Lift your hands up straight and touch your toes. Bend and touch your toes. Yes, very good. Now, children, how will you eat? Do the action. How will you eat? How will you eat? Yes, how will you eat? Yes, okay. How will you sleep? How will you sleep? How will you sleep, ma? Rohita, how will you sleep? Sleeping. Yawning. Let me see. Yawning. Ah, very sleepy. Yawning. And then laughing. 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 Like that. Laughing. Crying. How will you cry? Mummy. Okay, then comb your hair. How will you comb your hair? Combing. How will you comb your hair? Combing. Okay, brushing. Brushing. Okay, very good, children. Okay, stop the activity. Very good, children. Let's be ready for the attendance activity. All of you sit down. Sit down, all of you. Thank you so much. Sit down. Yes. First is Darshika. 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 Okay. Danvin Sai.
My name is Anindya.
Okay, very good. Dev Krish.
My name is Krish. I am in junior KG.
Devarakshita.
There is the present. Here I am, ma'am. Hi, Kunchulu. Here I am, ma'am.
My name is Devarakshita.
My name is still Devrakshita. My name is DK Devrakshita. Very nice. Say louder.
I am studying in.
I am studying LKG.
Junior KG.
Junior KG.
Thank you so much, Devarakshita. Dikshan. Dikshan. Okay. Farnaz. Farnaz. Janavi.
My name is
Yeah, I'll call it. Very good. Hashni.
My name is Ashni. I am engineering.
Very good, Ashni. Kartikeyan. My name is studying in junior KG. My name is Kartikeyan. Studying in junior KG. Okay. Kavyani, very good, Kartikeyan.
My name is Kalyani. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Kavyani. Nitek. Nitek.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitek. Come on, Nitek. My name is Nitek. My name is.
Kaitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, very good. Nukshita. Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. Pranita.
Good morning, my name is. I am in junior KG.
Okay, Ritvik. Ritvik.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. Rohita.
My name is Rohita Chapman.
My name is Soja. I am junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik and Rohita. Satvika. 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 Satvika, come on, tell me your attendance, ma. My name is Satvika.
Atika Sri, I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth. Siddharth. Very good. Very good, Siddharth. Very good. Tarnika. Tarnika. Okay, marking you, Tarnika. Tilakar. Vidyut. Vidyut. Vishank.
My name is Sitang. I am junior KG.
Okay, Vivan, I'm marking you, Vivan. Okay, Zedi. Zedi.
My name
My name is Jyoti. I am studying in junior KG. I am
Very-
4 years old.
Very
I
good,
am
Zedi.
studying in
Very
junior
good.
KG.
Okay, thank you so much, Zedi. Okay. Vivan. Vivan, I have already marked you.
Junior KG.
Yes, Vivan, I can hear you. Thank you so much, Vivan. Okay, children, attendance activity is over. And our next activity is concept. Yes, Friday, what concept we learned, children? Friday, what concept we learned? We learned about milk products. Yes, do you all remember? You all remember we learned about milk products, right? What are all the milk products, children? What are all the milk products? Milk, curd, and then butter, cheese. Okay, these are all milk products. They are produced out of milk. Okay, milk, curd, butter, cheese. Okay, this only we learnt on Friday. Today we are going to do this worksheet, and then alphabets. Today we are going to learn Q. Okay, before that we'll have a small recap of the other alphabets. Okay, A. First we'll start with A. What is the phonic rhyme for A? Who will sing? Come on. Tell me who is going to sing for A. Okay, Janvi, come on. Okay, sing Janvi. A rhyme. Alarm. Ah, very good, children. And then next is B. Who is going to sing B? Okay, Siddharth. Very good. And next is B after. Who is going to sing for this? Who is going to sing for this? Come on, raise your hand. Danvin. Yes, children. First you raise your hand. I'll call you. Okay, children? Okay, Danvin is going to sing for C. Come on, sing, Danvin. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ha, ha, ha. Okay, very good. Next, D, who is going to sing? Raise your hand. D, who is going to sing? Raise your hands, who is going to sing for D? Hashini. Okay, Hashini, come on, Hashini. D. Come on, Hashini.
See me play on my own, playing on the road. See me play on my own.
Very good, Hashini. Very good. Next is
E.
D
Rohit.
after E. E, who is going to sing? Raise your hand.
Rohit.
Let me see who is going to sing.
Raise your hand.
Who is going to sing for E?
Rohit, చెప్పు మా.
Rohita, are you going to sing, Rohita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sing, Rohita. E.
Egg in a pan. Egg in a pan. Egg.
Very good, Rohita. Now mute yourself. Next is F. Nukshita, will you sing for F? Nukshita will sing for F. Yeah, come on, sing, Nukshita. Who will sing? Nukshita. You don't know? Who is going to sing for F? Let me see who knows the rhyme. Who knows? Vishank knows? Tarnika. Come on, Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika. Sing. F.
With my fortune face is for the holy.
Very good, Tarnika. Very good. And next is G. Who is going to sing for G? Who is going to sing? Repeatedly, I see Hashini, Siddharth only raising hands. Others, Naitik. Come on. Naitik. Who sang this? Ritvik or Naitik? Who sang? Who sang this song? Both of you sang. Who sang? Both of you sang? Yeah?
Devkrish is continuously raising his hands, but you
Is
didn't
it
call
so,
his name.
Devkrish? Sorry, Devkrish. Wait, Devkrish. Next, you are going to sing, Devkrish. This is going to be your favorite.
I like to hop.
I like to.
Saptama.
Up and down. I like to up and down.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. What's the action, Devkrish? Ha, 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 ha. Well done, Devkrish. Good boy. Next is going to be I. Who is going to sing I? Vishank is not at all raising his hands. Vishank. This Vishank is going to sing.
Yeah.
Vishank. I. What is the rhyme for I? I like to. I. What will you sing?
इनकी दिमाग से जाते इनकी स्मेल ना पड़
Ink is spread all over the desk. Is that very good, Vishank? Wonderful. And then J. Who is going to sing J? Who will sing? Siddharth. Come on, Siddharth. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Very good. Okay. Kartikeyan is there? Kartikeyan? Kartikeyan? Kartikeyan is not there. Okay. What will you sing for this?
It's mine.
Sing the song for K.
Kites are flying in the sky.
Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka.
Kites are flying in the sky.
Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Okay, well done, Kartikeyan. Next is L. Vivan, will you sing the rhyme for L? Vivan will sing the rhyme for L. Vivan. Okay, Darshika will sing for L. Raising your hand, Darshika. Come on, sing, ma. Very good. Come on, sing. L. I lick a lollipop. I lick my lollipop. I lick my lollipop. Okay, very good. Next is M. Mom and the dad make many meals. Mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Next is N. Here the aeroplane. All of you should do the action, children. Please do the action. Come on. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Next is O. It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Next is P. Sorry, P. Vishank, you know the rhyme for P? Vishank. Vishank, Vishank, Vishank. Vishank. Vishank, busy baby, come on. Vishank. Vishank, what is the rhyme for P, Vishank? Puff for the candles.
Puff for the candle.
Puff, puff, puff. Okay, very good. Next, Q sounds. Qua. This only we are going to learn. And this is capital Q. And this is going to be small q. Do you know anything related to Q, children? Q for? What will you have for Q? Q for? Queen. Q for? Next. Okay, Q for queen. Next.
The gum is flying.
Q. We don't have rhyme for Q, Siddharth. Okay? We don't have rhyme for Q, only the sound we'll say, okay? Qua, Q sounds, qua, okay? And then Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for quilt, Q for quail. Okay, I'll show you the pictures now. See here. Q for queen, Q for quail, quail is a bird, and Q for quilt, okay? Today this worksheet only we are going to do. Q, this how will you do it, children? First you have to do it with your pointer finger, okay? Will you all do it with your pointer finger? Come on. Take your sheet. Come on, take this sheet. Worksheet number is D49LT. It's D49LT. D49LT, all of you first write it with your pointer finger. How will you do it with your pointer finger? Place your finger in number 1. Here you can see number 1. Right? There you have to keep your finger. And then come down like this, put a curve. Go up, come down. And here you are going to put a slanting line. Okay? Like A you have to do. How will you write A? You will be writing like this, right? But you are going to little bit stretch it down. Bring it down like this. And a slanting line you are going to join with it. Okay, children, first do it with your pointer finger, children. 3 times you do it, and then we'll start writing our worksheet, okay? Come on, do it. Worksheet number is D49LT. Yes, finish with your pointer finger means you can start writing. Those who have Q here, you can write it here. Those who don't have Q letter here, you can continue writing this worksheet. Same D49 LT. Before that, write the date and your name. Today's date is 7/9/2020.
Ma'am, Satvika is not right.
Why, Satvika?
Wants to sing for C.
Yes, you want to sing for C? Okay, sing. Come on. I'm ready to hear. Sing. Come on, I'm ready to hear. You can sing. Look at me, look at me, look at me and sing. We are clicking castanets. Okay, happy? Now will you write? Now start writing. Good girl. Start writing now. Come on. Q. Start writing, children. Q. Yes, Karthikeyan, what are you writing? What is the alphabet you are writing? Come on, spell and write. Karthikeyan. Spell and write. Spell and write, come on.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Siddharth, spell and write. Let me see how you are writing. Like A. Children, write like A. How will you write A? Wait, I'll show you. See here, children. You will write A, right? Like curve, draw a curve, go up. But A, you will stop it here. But now Q, you are going to come down and a slanting line. Okay? Try to write without taking out your hand. Okay? Rohita, you are not writing. Why?
I am finishing, ma'am. And chapter.
You finished. When did you finish?
Now.
Now only? Very good. Show me your worksheet. Come on. Yes, very good, Rohita. Good. Yes? What, ma?
Okay. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, finish? Ready?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
कैमरा सर्कल लाइक कर दो पटको स्लाइड पटको
Yes. Ritvik. How are you writing, Ritvik? Show me. Yes, good, Rohita. Good.
Right, happy madam is very good.
Yes, Ritvik. Hashni, show me how you are writing Q. See, write A, like small letter A you have to write, and then come down, go up like this. Yes, it's easy only like this. Like curve, go up, come down, and again a slanting line. Okay?
Then finished, ma'am.
Very good. Who's this? Who's this? Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika. I can't see your face, that's why. Very nice, Tarnika. Good. Yes, Danvin. Very good, Danvin. Good. Next, who else?
Finished, Vanina, ma'am.
Yes, good. Good, Pranita. Good. Pranita finished, right? Good, Pranita.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, who else? Okay, next, this will be your worksheet, children. Those who finished, you can take this worksheet. Yes, who finished, ma?
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth. Good, Siddharth. Then Dev Krish. Good, Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Very good. Okay, next worksheet, you can look in the screen. You can be ready with that worksheet. Worksheet number is D48LT. D48LT. Yes, Karthikeyan, finished? Very good, Karthikeyan. Show me your book. Yeah, good. Very good. Good, ma. Everyone finished? Come on, take this worksheet, children. Those who finished, come on, take this worksheet. Nitek. Are you writing, Nitek? Still writing?
Righty.
Okay, right. Ritvik, finish?
Writing, ma'am.
Okay, right. Those who finish, you take this worksheet, write your date and be ready with that. Okay, next worksheet, I think everyone has finished. Take this worksheet, write your date and name. In this worksheet, we are going to color O and P. So here you have to circle O in this box. Circle and then you color, children. Don't color all the alphabet, you have to color only O. O for octopus, O for orange, O for onion. Okay, and here you are going to color P. Okay, P, P, and P. Color the letters, and here you are going to draw a picture related to O, and here you are going to draw a picture related to P. What shall we draw for O? Nitek, what shall we draw? Shall we draw orange? O for orange. Yes, we'll draw an orange, okay?
Orange.
And then Ali. Okay, orange. And then for P, what shall we draw? Shall we draw a pumpkin? P for pumpkin. Shall we draw a pumpkin? Yeah, 1 minute, children. Ma'am will be back, right?
Before pencil.
Yes, children, are you all drawing? Now we are going to draw for P. Okay. What shall we draw for P? We said pumpkin, right? Okay, we'll draw. Draw it on your own, children. However it looks, it doesn't matter. But creatively try to draw on yourself, okay? Yes, we'll draw. Yes, and then color. Yes, Tarnika. Finish, Tarnika. Sorry, Danvin or Tarnika? Who finished? Tarnika, you only, right? Yes. And O for orange and P for? What is that? Pencil. Very good. P for pencil. You colored. Very good. And then parrot. Is that parrot?
Yes, ma'am.
You drew on your own?
Yes.
Yes, nice, Tarnika. Very nice. Good. Tarnika, just little bit go back and show me a picture. Come on. Little bit back and show me your worksheet. I can't see the whole picture. No, wrong. Not that worksheet, ma. Yeah. Little bit back. Yeah. No, down. Wait. Stop. Yeah, I took. Thank you. Okay, next children. Who else finish? Kavyarni, finish drawing. Show me how you have done. Orange. Potato. Very good. For orange. Very good. Simple. Very good. Nice. Wait, Kavyarni. I'll take a snap. Yeah, thank you, Kavyarni. Yes, Zeddy. Okay, yes, Zeddy. What you have drawn, Zeddy? You didn't color? Come on, color. Color your picture and then you show me, okay? Color it. Then who else? Zeddy, Tarnika. Nitik. Dev Krish. Where are you, Dev Krish? Are you drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let me see your drawing. You used to draw very well, right? Come on, let me see. Yes, what did you draw, Dev Krish? Orange and what is that?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Okay. Wait, Dev Krish. Yeah, took a snap. Thank you, Dev Krish. Next, who else, children? Very good, Dev Krish. Danvin. Yes, Danvin. Orange and P for?
Kilo.
What? Sorry, Danvin. Pillow. Yes, very good. Little bit. Raise it up and show me. Let me take a snap. Come on. Raise it up. Up. Yeah. Good. Thank you, Danvin. Okay, thank you. Next, who else? Very good. Okay, children. Those who finish, please be ready with next worksheet. It's going to be D50 CT. Be ready with that. Write your date, write your name, and be ready. Let the others finish. We'll do with that worksheet. Okay? Okay. Satvika.
Satvika, ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute. Yes, Nitik. Show me, Nitik. Potato and orange. Yes, very good, Nitik. Okay, Satvika, come on, show me. Yeah, Satvika. Where is Satvika? Siddharth. Wonderful, Siddharth. Did you draw on your own, Siddharth? Yes? You drew on your own? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Little bit up. Ah, yeah, very nice. Good. Very nice, Siddharth. Very nice. Next. Who else finished, ma? Satvika. Yeah, Satvika. Very nice, Satvika. Good. Next. Jahnavi, did you finish, Jahnavi? Very good, Ritvik. Very good. Jahnavi, why fighting, Jahnavi? What happened? What happened, ma? Jahnavi. Okay,
She
you
wants to
my
come to
home.
school, ma'am.
Come to my home. Even I also want to go to school. What to do, Jahnavi? Come, we both will go. Come on. We both will go, Jahnavi. Come on. Show me your worksheet, Jahnavi. Oh my God, see how angry she is. Jahnavi. Cutie pie, come on, show me your worksheet. Janvi.
P for pencil, O for
Okay,
orange.
very
Ma'am.
good, Janavi. Good, Janavi. Good. Okay, children, next worksheet, we'll start doing it. Match the following. We are going to match the words to the pictures, okay? Come on, children, take it. This time you are not going to get help from your parents. You are going to identify your words and then you yourself are going to match the picture. Okay? Shall we do it? Yes, let me see how many of you are able to do. Yes, the first word is cheese. First word is cheese slice. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese slice. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Where is the cheese picture? You have to match it. Come on, show me where is cheese. Vishank, where is cheese, ma? This is cheese word. And where is cheese? Will you show me where is cheese, Vishank? 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 Where is Vishank? Vishank, where is cheese, ma? Help me out of it. Come on. Show me where is cheese. Point it out. Yeah, good, Vishank. Yes, cheese. Okay, children. Next is curd. Second word is curd. C-U-R-D, curd. First we'll match cheese. Second word is C-U-R-D, curd. Yes, Darshika. Show me where is curd, Darshika. Darshika. Show me where is curd. Darshika is there? No. Naitik, where is curd? Naitik, come on, show me where is curd. Show me in your worksheet where is curd. Yeah, finish. Curd. Okay. Third is milk. M-I-L-K, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. This word. M-I-L-K, milk. Milk is here in this glass. And the fourth word is butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Where is butter, Naitik? Where is butter? Yes, good. Very good. Children finished matching? Is very good, children. One more worksheet we have, children. That worksheet number is...
Ma'am.
Yes, who's that? Ma'am. Zedi. Yes, Zedi. Yeah, tell me, Zedi. Finish? Very good, Zedi. Good girl. Okay, this worksheet we are going to do it today. This it's D47 empty. It's D47 empty. This worksheet, in this worksheet, we are going to circle the greater number. Greater number star, we are going to color. Okay, be ready with this worksheet. It's D47 empty.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Please unmute.
Okay, thank you. This worksheet do you all have? Everyone is having this worksheet, right? D47. Yes. Shall we start doing it? 1 minute, children. Okay, the first box you have number 22 and 1 to 12, right? Yes or no, children? Yes, you have this. How will you find out in this? See, all these days we have been seeing how to find out using the second digit, right? Because the first digit was the same number. Here you see, first we are going to see the first digit. What is it? What number is this, Tarnika? What number is this?
2,
2. And here the first number is
1.
1. Which is the bigger number here? Is it the same number? Is it same number? Yes. No, right? So which is the greater number here? 2 or 1?
1.
1 is greater number. 1 or 2?
2 or 1?
2. So you are going to circle 2 to 22 and you are going to color that star. Okay? First you finish circling which is the greater number and then we'll color. Okay, children? And our next sum is going to be 2, 9, 29, 2, 7, 27. Devkrish, this sum you are going to do, Devkrish. What is the first number?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் என்ன
First number,
சொல்லுங்க?
ma.
இங்க பாருங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் இது என்னன்னு
What
சொல்லுங்க.
is the first number? I have underlined. See here. What is the first number?
2.
2. Here, what is the first number?
சொல்லுங்க.
I have underlined. See here. Which is the first number here?
என்ன நம்பர் தெரியுமா? சத்தமா சொல்லு.
2. Both are same or different number? Same or different number? Same or different number, Devkrish? Same number, right? So we are going to move on to the next number. Next number is 9 here and 7 here. Now which is greater? 9 or 7? Which is greater, ma? 9 or 7? Yeah?
சத்தமா டே.
9. So circle the number 2, 9, 29. Okay, children, first circle it and then you can color. Okay, please look at the screen, then only you will know how to find out the greater number, children. Afterwards also you can color, you have lot of time to do. And here next box you have 3, 0, 30, 1, 6, 16. Which will be the greater number? Can anybody tell me? Which will be the greater number, 30 or 16? How to find out? 30. Very good. Very good. Okay, how it will be 30? Shall we see? First number is 3 here. And here the first number is 1. They both are different numbers. So we'll find it out with the first number itself. Okay? 3 is greater or 1 is greater, Hashni? Which is greater? 3 or 1? 3. So we are going to circle 3, 0, 30. Yes. Okay. Next sum we are going to do. It is 2, 5, 25 and 3, 5, 35. Here also we have different numbers. We'll move on to the first number first. It is 2 here and here you have 3. Are they same numbers? Naitik? Naitik, are they same numbers, Naitik?
No.
No. So what we should see? Which is the greater number here? 2 or 3? 2 or 3? Which is greater? 3. Very good, Naitik. So 3, 5, 35 is the greater number. Okay. Now start coloring, children. Hope you all have circled the correct numbers. Now you color the star which you have circled as greater number. Okay, you would have circled the greater number in all the boxes, right? 4 boxes. So that star you start coloring. Yes, started. Yes. Who finished, ma? Pranita. Good, very good, Pranita. All the four sums you have done, very good girl. Good girl. Side by side, you colored children, very good children. Siddharth, well done, Siddharth. Very nice, Siddharth. You have chosen all light colors. Okay, very good. Good.
Thank you.
Next, who else? Tarnika, finish.
Ma'am, Nukshita finished.
Nukshita, finish. Show me Nukshita. Wow, Nukshita. Very good. Wait, let me take a snap. Wait. Yeah, good. Good, Nukshita. Yes, Kavyani.
Okay, Vanilla ma'am.
Show me. Show me, Kavyani. Show me your worksheet. Yes, good. Correct. Danvin. Correct. Correct, Kavyani. Danvin. Yes, good. Correct, ma. Very good. Next, who else? Vishant.
Ma'am, Tanika finished,
Tarnika.
ma'am.
Very good, Tarnika. Well done, Tarnika. Naitek. Finish. Do it, do it. Do it, Naitek. No problem. Do it. Karthikeyan, finish, ma. And don't tell me I didn't call you, okay? Finished? Ashni, did you finish? Ashni?
Not yet, ma'am. She's coloring.
Okay, finish, finish. Slowly you do. Ritvik. Ritvik.
Ma'am, I am not finished yet, ma'am.
You have not finished? Okay, finish, finish. Very good, Ritvik. Good boy. Okay, next. Darshika, did you finish, Darshika? Darshika. Darshika, look at ma'am, Darshika. Look at ma'am. Darshika. Darshika, stop doing your worksheet, Darshika. Look at ma'am. Okay, now look at ma'am. Okay, I'm going to teach you with single numbers first, okay? Shall we learn with single numbers? Yes? It might feel very difficult, right? First, we'll start with single numbers, okay? This is only for Darshika children. You do it, I'll be back, okay? Come on, Darshika. Which is the greater number? Now you find out. 6 or 4. Here, which is the greater number, ma? 6 or 4? Which is the greater number here? 6 or 4? Look here, Darshika. Can I tell you how to find it out? First, we have to draw correct objects to it, okay? And then we'll find out, okay? You put a line here and then you start drawing, okay? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Darshika's mom, you please note down this way. Whenever she is free, you please try to give her sums like this. Let her draw and identify single digit numbers. Okay, Darshika's mom? Darshika, can you hear me, Darshika?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yes, now are you able to find out which is greater?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
See here, which is greater, this one or this one? Darshika? Darshika? Which is greater? Tell me, this one or this one? 6 or 4? Which is greater? See which has more circles in it? 6. Very good, Darshika. So you have to circle 6. Like that you have to identify. Okay, Darshika? Well done, Darshika. Satvika, next sum is for you, Satvika. Are you ready? Hey, Satvika, are you ready? Okay. Yes, next sum is going to be 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Which is the greater number, Satvika? Come on, tell me. Which is the greater number? Satvika, look at me. Look at the screen, Satvika. 7. How did you find out it is 7? Did you draw? Come on, take your slate and draw. Come on. Write this number. You draw a sleeping line above that. And you draw 5 circles here and 7 circles here. Come on. Do it, Satvika. Do and show it to me. Vishank. Vishank, I want you also to do, Vishank. Write number 5 and 7 in your slate. And then you draw a sleeping line above that. And then you draw circles according to the number. Okay, Vishank, will you do that?
Okay.
Come on, let me see. Do it, Vishank. Very good boy, Vishank. Yes, now I'm going to draw. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and draw. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 here and 7 here. Vishank, look at me, ma. Look at the slate. Which is greater here? Tell me, Vishank. Vishank, look at ma'am. Which is greater? Which has more number of circles here? 7 or 5? Which is greater? Which has more number of circles? 7. So, which is the greater number? 7. Okay? Which is the smaller number? Which is the smaller number?
5.
Yes, 5. Greater number is 7 and smaller number is 5. Yes, do it in your slate. Come on. Do it in your slate. Let me see. Dev Krish, will you also do it, ma?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
come on, Dev Krish. Wait, let me give you another sum. Dev Krish, this is for you, Dev Krish. 9 and 6. Okay, Dev Krish? Now draw circles and find it out. Vishank, you should draw, Vishank. That is not going to do for you. You have to do it on your own, ma. Vishank will draw very nicely, right? Come on, you do it. Come on, Dev Krish, you also do this number. 9 and 6. Those who are not clear with double digits number or 2 digits number, you can try it out with single digit number first. Those who don't know, you can definitely do these sums. It's not compulsory that only these children have to do. Everyone can do. Nukshita, you know how to find out the greater number, Nukshita? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Nukshita's mom, is she clear with the concept? Can she find out without your help?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good.
Which number? Big number 6.
Dev Krish, finish?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am will draw, okay? Ma'am will also draw, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
finish.
Yeah, 1 minute, man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Which one is the
I've
greater number?
drawn.
Shall which one is the
Yeah,
greater
which
number?
has the greater number of circles, more number of circles. Now tell me, Dev Krish, which has more number of circles?
Count when you tell the ma'am. Count and tell.
You can see the height, right? Which is,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
Which one is the greater number?
Now which is the greater number? Look at ma'am first. Dev Krish, you look at ma'am, Kana. Dev Krish, look at ma'am. You can
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
slate, right? See here. Which is the greater number? This one or this one?
The ma'am or the
Which
slate?
has more number of circles? You look at the slate here. Ma'am, you look at ma'am here. Which is greater now? This one, this number or this number? 9 or 6?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Yeah. We are going to circle number 9. 9 is the greater number and 6 is the smaller number. Vishank, show me your slate. Come on. All below you have drawn. Very good, Vishank. Now circle which is the greater number. 7 circles are there. I can't see 7 circles there. Vishank, is there 7 circles?
Six. One more line.
How many is there? 6 circles is there. But you have to draw 7 circles, right? In between you add 1 circle. You will have space there, right? In between you add 1 circle, then it will become 7.
Add one more circle.
Is Satvika finished?
Yeah, she's doing, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Slowly you do it. Whenever you have time, you please give them activity like this.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
1.
Whatever you are revising in your home also, you take a snap and send it to me in group, children. Let me see what you are revising in your home also. Nukshita, very good, Nukshita. Good girl. Very nice. Yes, Darshika, did you do this sum, Darshika? Those who don't have slate, you can try it out with your rough notebook also. Yes, very good, Tarnika. Good girl. I know you will do, Tarnika. I know you will definitely do. Yes, good. Kavyarni, do it, Kavyarni. I want you also to do. Let me see. You are able to identify greater number. Kavyarni, also do it. Darshika, do it, ma. Do this sum. Come on. 9 or 6. Yes, very good, Devkrish. Good. Well done, Devkrish. Now you are clear, Devkrish? Yes? Even if it is 2-digit number also, we are going to find out using single digit only. Okay? Dhanvin, good Dhanvin. Very nice Dhanvin. Okay. Yes, very good. Nukshita, good. Dhanvin, good. Tarnika, good. Pranita, good. Ritvik, are you doing Ritvik? Yes, good children. Okay, thank you so much, children. Very good. So finish. Very good. Very good, Darshika. Good girl. Okay, children. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. We'll meet you tomorrow. If you have doubts, you can stay or else you can leave. Bye, children. Yeah, bye, children. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone. Bye. Yeah, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, children. Bye. Yes, bye, bye. Bye, Vishal. Bye. Bye. Bye, Pranita.
Bye, Vanilla Mom. Bye,
Yes, bye. Hi, Ritvik. Come on, show me Ritvik.